Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Elephants really can do quite a lot of damage. They also trashed Pippa in Yuri's garden and pulled up one huge thorn tree, which didn't go down very well, as you can imagine. Okay, well the next one is Alex. I don't know if you remember earlier on in the week, Alex's chair broke while he was doing the camera, and he set about trying to fix his chair.
And suddenly the chair broke, so now I have to try to fix it. But Jan is sleeping, and I'm not that much of a handyman to be honest, so this can be a very interesting little job. As you can see, the metal is ripped apart. How to do this? What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to drill a new hole here, stand there and just touch it back the way it was. I think that's my best bet. Right, let's do this. Guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this hammer and I'm going to try to level out the damage here. Yeah, do it from there. Sure it's heavy. Yes, you haven't used the hammer out so much. Working now. Come on, baby. I'm gonna attach the shear to the monopod. I'm gonna use some washers, this thing, I don't really know what you call it, a spanner. Do it. Perfect, all ready for game drive.